In this video, I will discuss about surface chemistry. The first chapter is adsorption. Type of adsorption. There are two types of adsorption. One is physisorption and second one is chemisorption. Adsorption isotherms are there. Variation of amount of gas adsorbed by adsorbent to a given pressure. So this is represented with the help of some diagrams. They are called as adsorption isotherms. So we'll consider this one. Exerted by M versus pressure. We're going to get different curves like this. So it is for 293 Kelvin, 244 Kelvin, 195 Kelvin. So again we have one more curve. So log exerted by M versus log P. In this case we're going to get a straight line with some intercept. So this intercept is log K, and here we're going to get some slope. So this slope value is 1 divided by N. So adsorption isotherm. So first one is Freundlich's adsorption isotherm. So exerted by M is equal to K P raised to 1 divided by N, where N is greater than 1. So let us take log exerted by M is equal to log K plus 1 divided by N log P. So Freundlich's isotherm holds only at low temperature. At high temperature, isotherm approaches saturation. So it is not explained in the case of Freundlich's adsorption isotherm. So adsorption from solution phase. Freundlich's isotherm holds here also. So we'll consider exerted by M is equal to K C raised to 1 divided by N. Here C is the concentration of that solute in that particular solution. Log exerted by M is equal to log K plus 1 divided by N log C. So we'll consider the next concept, that is catalysis. N2 plus 3H2 to give 2NH3. So in this case the catalyst is iron and molybdenum. So iron is the catalyst, Fe is catalyst, and molybdenum is promoter. So we'll consider two types of catalysis. One is homogeneous catalysis and second one is heterogeneous catalysis. So SO2 plus O2 to give SO3. The catalyst here in this case is NO. CH3COO CH3 plus H2O to give CH3COOH plus CH3OH. Here in this case the catalyst here is HCl. Heterogeneous catalysis, SO2 to give SO3. In this case platinum solid is the catalyst. NH3 plus O2 to give NO plus H2O. Here in this case the catalyst is platinum. So then consider the selectivity. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. In presence of nickel it will give CH4. In presence of copper, zinc oxide, chromium oxide, it going to give CH3OH. So carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, in presence of copper it will give formaldehyde, HCHO. So it means that same reactants but based on different catalyst, here we are going to get different products. Industrial catalytic process. So the first one is Haber's process. NH2 H2 plus N2 to give NH3. The catalyst is iron and the promoter is molybdenum. Ostwald process for nitric acid. NH3 plus O2 to give NO plus 6H2O. The catalyst is platinized asbestos. NO plus O2 to give NO2. NO2 plus H2O in presence of oxygen give HNO3. So this process is known as Ostwald process for nitric acid. So then we will consider this one, contact process for sulfuric acid. So SO2 plus O2 to give SO3. The catalyst is platinized asbestos or V2O5. SO3 plus H2SO4 to give H2S2O7. So this H2S2O7 is known as oleum. H2S2O7 plus H2O to give 2H2SO4. Right. So the next concept is colloids. Here we have two types of colloid. One is lyophilic colloid and second one is lyophobic colloid. Lyophilic means liquid loving, lyophobic means liquid hating. So we'll consider the purification of colloids. Dialysis, removing dissolved substance from colloids. Colloidal solution by means of diffusion through suitable membrane. So this is known as dialysis. Electrodialysis, properties of colloidal particles. The first one is colligative property, and second one is Tyndall effect, and third one is Brownian moment. Fourth one is charge on colloidal particles. Electrokinetic potential or zeta potential, the potential difference between the fixed layer and diffused layer of a opposite charges is called zeta potential. So then we have this electrophoresis, movement of colloidal particles under an applied electric potential is known as electrophoresis. So then we have this coagulation, the process of settling of a colloidal particles is known as coagulation or precipitation of Soule. So then we have this Soule, solid in liquid medium is known as Soule. Emulsion, liquid in liquid, colloidal system. So then we have this application of colloids. The first one is electrical precipitation of smoke, right? So this is all about this surface chemistry. We'll discuss remaining concept in our next video.